Hey guys, what's going on? So today I've been working more on making a rebuild of the transmitter that I did myself. Um, yeah, it seems to me no matter what I do with this build that I found online. Now, but the user on YouTube who made this build was dazaro3. And this video is basically calling this guy out because this shit is really annoying. I've spent about $100 on parts to build this transmitter here. Just because I had to buy multiples of all the different parts and ship them online and all that, and everything. So, this is where you adjust the frequency. No matter what I do to it, no frequency will show up. I won't get any frequency. This is the 3.5 millimeter jack, which is different from my last build. However, I'll just take this out to show you. Yeah, so that's just the only different part from what I did last time. But that is how you do it. That is the I believe that on the right side is the negative, or sorry, the left side is the negative and the right side is the positive in this case, I believe. But anyways, so I have all these pieces here kind of lined out, as the guy said to do it, as dazaro3 said to do it. This is a Breadboard FM transmitter video. I got a 9-volt battery there that's not even sucking up any power. And this is crap. I'm really annoyed. I did every single thing he said. This is my second time doing it, by the way. And not to mention, I quadruple checked both of the versions of this transmitter to no avail. It just doesn't seem anything wants to happen with it here. So I don't know. I'm just frustrated with that crap, and yeah, so that's about it for my video today, guys. I don't really have too much else to say. Just a little disgruntled that my shit, and I tried so fucking hard to get this thing to work, and it just doesn't want to do anything, and it's just an agitation, and I really do want to do the pirate radio station. Like, I'm going to do it as soon as I possibly can, but like, it's just being an absolute annoyance. Now, the other thing too is this my other transmitter here, the one that I did a video about the other day. This thing here, there's no battery in there right now, but that shit, it's only going about 100 yards right now. 100 yards, like basically it goes about 200 yards because it goes 100 yards down this way and 100 yards down the other way, because I live on like a hill, so like it can't go past the hills, but it only goes about 100 yards to the right and to the left, and that's about the best you're gonna get from it. And he said on his website that it goes quote unquote 800 meters, which is over a mile. Now if that's not bullshit, I don't know what is. So and I tried attaching it to my antenna on my house. I tried attaching it to a dipole antenna. I tried wrapping it with copper, using coaxial wiring for it, on the antenna, and just nothing. Nothing wants to happen. So this shit sucks. I can't do a radio station if it only goes 100 yards each way, because no one's gonna hear it. And the whole point of the station is so that people hear it. So, yeah. But anyways, yeah, that about wraps it up for the video, guys. So I didn't want to be too negative, but it is a negative thing that none of this shit happened today. So I spent most of my day working on it. But things happen. I might get it figured out pretty soon. I've already put in so much effort into it already. I mean, something's bound to happen where I'll learn something, and maybe it'll work tonight. I don't know. Because my last transmitter that I built, I got it to work for about a few minutes, but it only went literally probably from it was like right on this table, or right on this nightstand, or whatever you call this shit here, and dresser. It went from my dresser here, literally to outside to my door right there. So it didn't even go. It didn't even barely go 10 feet. So I don't know what the fuck's going on with that. The only difference between, like I said, between this version and the last version is first of all, there's shorter leads for all the different wires. So I didn't want there to be so much clutter. And I used this 3.5 millimeter jack adapter. And that's it. That's literally the only difference. And it just doesn't want to do anything. Oh, hey. Hey, let's check this out. Maybe. Looks like I forgot to plug something in here. Maybe. I doubt it very highly, but maybe it'll do something. Okay, well. Gotta put that crap in there. So, okay, I guess I'll try it again now. Crap. I gotta get like an MP3 player or some shit. Where is that thing? God damn it, Bobby. Okay, so I guess what I'll do is I'll put on some Fast Cars, Danger, Fire, Knives, cause why the fuck not? Now we're gonna see if it does anything at all. Okay. I kinda gotta do a goofy thing with this freaking Walkman here to get it to do anything, because I dropped it a couple times. Yes, I know, it's really stupid. But yeah, you kinda have to like jiggle this fucking thing to change the the setting that you want it to be on. Is this gonna fucking work? I'm just adjusting the pieces on here. Nope. Not a goddamn thing. Not at all. Yeah, it doesn't want to do anything, so I don't know. Shit. So much effort for nothing. God, anyways. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Peace out.